J8 versus MSI 21 URX. In person, guys, I can see that the G8 is more lighter. It's light, guys. Uh, See again. To me, guys, see that volcano on the middle, it has more orange on the left. Again, the left is lighter. The color, it's like more alive color. The left again. So unmatched, guys. It's light. Uh, in person, I can see that the G8 is more brightness compared the right. More color on the right, but brighter on the left. Again, lighter on the left, lighter on the left again. You can see more red on the left versus darker on the right. Matte versus glossy. Actually, guys, I bought the G8 first, and then the my second that I bought is that URX. I thought there's something difference because it is glossy, semi-gloss versus the matte. Actually, you can see the difference, guys. In the video here in person, I can see that the G8 is more brighter. That's default, guys, huh? I didn't touch anything. That's the default color on HDR peak high brightness. Nice color on the left. Again, it's lighter on the left. Wow, I can't believe that this G8 is more color, volume, and more brightness.